The Wiser Center for Europe and Eurasia started the NGO Leadership Workshop in 2015, thanks to a generous gift from the Wiser family. It was inspired by the experience of Ambassador Wiser in Slovakia during times in the post-communist transition, where he observed the needs for greater civil society engagement. And we ran with this idea. We organized so far 12 NGO workshops involving over 275 participants from Central and Eastern Europe, the Caucasus, the Balkans, and Central Asia.
It's been a fantastic week at the NGO Leadership Workshop in Košice, Slovakia. We've had a really productive time here with a group of 24 highly motivated NGO leaders from Ukraine.
In 2022, with Russia's full-scale invasion of Ukraine, we decided to pivot and tailor those workshops specifically for Ukrainians.
This is the second consecutive NGO leadership workshop that has been designed specifically to support Ukrainian civil society. We're so honored to host organizations here in Košice from all over Ukraine that provide essential services to their fellow Ukrainians, whether it be medical, legal, psychological support, or defending human rights, or providing humanitarian aid, or relocating IDPs from conflict zones.
It's really been a privilege to watch these leaders come together and engage not only around the curriculum, but with each other and form friendships and networks and social capital that will continue to serve them as they return and continue their vital work back in Ukraine.
I was super inspired by them. They are all really working very, very hard. They are exuberant, they are knowledgeable, they are committed to their country and the development. And I can't say enough about how exciting it is to learn from them, as well as to be able to share some information and some experiences in which they can broaden their own knowledge of leadership, their own ability to help their own NGOs, and to help their country move forward.
Everything was excellent. The trainers were excellent, and it was a great opportunity for cooperation and collaboration.
I pick up some very useful topic or even some approaches or methods.
Come for this event, it feels like a little vacation. Even though we are studying, we are learning a lot of things about ourselves, about each other, about leadership, about a lot of aspects, and don't feel that stress level that you feel working under those circumstances back home.
All organizers are so amazing and beautiful for letting us not only gain some knowledge and network pretty cool, but also for put us in such calm environment, because like for Ukrainians this is very important to remind ourselves that there is still a calmness in the world, and to have an opportunity to study in such a calm situation, it's like very, very valuable for me, for example.
I'm really grateful for knowledge, grateful for possibility, grateful for just switching to another life in Slovakia.
I really appreciate also that we can bring, through University of Michigan, we can bring innovation and maybe approaches that are not that common in this region, which can really help them to advance.
Our hope is to be able to hold those workshops in Ukraine as soon as it will be safe for us to travel there, our entire team, because Ukrainians really need our support. They need the expertise, they need the training, and they're extremely eager to participate in such opportunities.